Hi, I'm Rob from LJ's, and today we're going to talk about tips for designing your new bathroom space. One of the things that we'd like to look at in our bathroom space is basically how big the bathroom is. What can we do in this space to make it more functional for the family and usable for the end overall user? A lot of things we like to do is, if we can, try to tuck the toilet into an area where it's not seen when you walk by the room or first thing you see when you walk in. Second thing is we have to make sure, we have a nice shower space, or is it going to be a tub shower or a tub and shower? So we also kind of look for in the bathroom is if we can put a new ceiling vent in to get the steam and things out. Hopefully that's a great thing that we can add to the bathroom. We also look at position of plumbing to see if we can do 2 sinks or 1 sink, if we have to move the plumbing, if it's easily done to accommodate like a new shower or tub, or move the stool into a different area, see how easy it is to accommodate that by looking into the plumbing. The other thing we look at is, to make it aesthetically pleasing, is how can we get more lighting in there. If we can, a big feature seems to be like people like to see in their house when they go to sell it or buy a new house is a double sink in the vanity. If we can make it so there's 2 sinks in the master bath or a bathroom for children, it makes it easier for them to get ready to go to school, or in the evening to get ready to go to bed. The biggest thing is if we can maybe get a linen closet in the bathroom, that would be awesome, so we can tuck away towels and extra toiletry type things. I think if you're in the beginning stage, late in the development, if you just need some help, I would say give us a call here at LJ's and we can help work on that project.